y is equal to x squared minus 5x plus 4 can be written in the form y is equal to x minus p plus q. Find the values of p and q. Right, this process is called completing the square. Okay, so we've got y is equal to x squared minus 5x plus 4. So what we need to do is we look at this minus 5 here, and we take half of it. Now, why do we take half? Well, if we expand a minus b squared, you get a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So what we're going to do is write this, something like this, so therefore we'd have to take half of this term here. So, taking half of 5, we're going to have that y is equal to x minus 5 over 2 squared plus 4. Now, what we need to do here, of course, is to, because we've actually done this process, we've actually added or subtracted something from the whole thing. In fact, we've actually added 25 over 4. But one way to find out is to do x minus 5 over 2 squared is equal to x squared minus 5x, and then if you square the last term, you're going to get 5 squared, which is 25, and 2 squared, which is 4. So we've added 25 over 4 here by doing this process. So in order to keep the balance with the original expression, here we now need to subtract 25 over 4. So the whole thing will become y is equal to x minus 5 over 2 squared. Now this bit in IGCSE you should just work out using your calculator and use the fraction key. So do 4 minus 25 over 4, and that will give you minus 9 over 4. Now you might have preferred to write it as a decimal, so it would be y is equal to x. 5 over 2 is 2.5 squared, and 9 over 4 is 2.25. Now it does actually say write down the values of p and q. So if we compare this with the original format, x minus p squared plus q, then the value of p is going to be 5 over 2 plus 5 over 2, and the value of q is going to be minus 9 over 4. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to do completing the square of a quadratic function. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.